Hi there! Here's another devlog on my game that I was making for Sports Game Jam. I still haven't thought of a good name for the game. If you have any ideas, please help me out. Write your suggestions in the comments. I always have a hard time coming up with a good name for my games. Since last devlog, I was able to work only for 4 hours on the project. I was hoping for more, but it's life. You have to do as much as you can with the time you have. In those 4 hours, I mostly focused on the gameplay. I made some improvements with visuals, threw together a quick background image, and made a texture for the platform. Instead of the green sphere, I decided to use a basketball from the sports asset pack. Let me walk you through the current state of the game. The idea of the game is to use the balls that are available to knock off all the cubes from the platform. The game is level-based, and you can upgrade the power at which the ball gets launched and increase the maximum number of balls available in each level. In UI, I have coin multiplier and offline earnings upgrades, but I haven't implemented them yet into the gameplay. Here's the gameplay of the 4 test levels that the game has right now. To play the game, you need to click anywhere on the screen. The ball gets launched from the bottom center of the screen into the direction that you clicked. The goal is to hit the cube. When you hit the cube and the cube gets knocked off from the platform, you get points. Once all cubes are off the platform, you complete the level. The coins that you collect can be used for upgrades. You can purchase upgrades in UI when you complete the level. Let's get one more ball and continue to the next level. If you used up all the balls and some of the cubes are still on the platform, you lose the level. You can try again as much times as you want. In level 3, a new object is introduced, a wall. You can use the wall to get cubes that you wouldn't be able to get otherwise. The wall object can also be used as a ramp, which is demonstrated in level 4. I think this covers most additions that I made to the game. Unfortunately, because I felt that the project was not complete, I didn't submit it for Buildbox March Game Jam. But I decided that I'm gonna work on it more, and when it will be ready, I'll put it out on Play Store and App Store. Thank you for watching and for your support. Until next time.